smells stinky. Ba't ba yun ang honey ko? Iniwan niya yata yung pet niya dito. Ang baho.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We're on my way, yeah.
Hi guys! After 5 hours, finally nandito sa city. Ayan. Mga ano yan? Apartments ba yan? Ito pharmacy. Diyan ako namimili ng pampaganda ko sa Shoppers Mart. Sa Shoppers Mart. Ito fitness. Ito salon and spa.
I'm gonna go in there and check it.
Yeah, why not? We'll check. Ayan, so nag-inquire ako doon para magpaglagay ng nails, guys. Kaso, $63. So, ayoko. Sumuko ang lola. Ano ako? Kuripot ako dito kasi masyadong mahal. Where you going, honey?
I'm going crazy. You coming?
Yeah.
No, I'm just going right in here real quick. I'm gonna get the travel kit for Sammy.
Alright. Travel kit for Sammy! What a very...
The bolts and stuff on his thing.
Okay. Hindi ako nagpagawa kasi $60 convert mo would be 2,400. Masyado siyang mahal. Ayun. Try kong maghanap sa iba later. It's like smells stinky. Ba't ba yun ang honey ko? Iniwan niya yata yung pet niya dito. Ayun, so yun nga, after 5 hours, nandito na kami sa Winnipeg. Medyo nakaidlip ako ng 3 minutes yata. Umalis kami 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh! 4.5 hours lang kasi 12:34 right now. So, yeah. Yung appointment niya is 1 hour sa doctor. Ayan siya. Wala yata siyang nabili. Honey, what happened?
Nothing. Was there supposed to be something?
I smell bat.
On my buttocks?
Yeah.
Maybe I farted on my way out.
Yeah, I told my vlog that, you know, like you left, you know, your butt
I
here.
left my stinky buttocks.
Yeah, stinky. Sobrang baho, pero hindi. I smell bum, honey! You have to check your bum. You go to the
Okay,
restroom.
I'm so sorry.
Kala ko makapagpaganda ako ng aking mga daliri. Hindi naman pala. Ayan, kasi para matakpan to. Oh, mean.
Oh, man.
Bet ni Sammy, Subway, Transcona Salon. Honey, perhaps Transcona Salon is making nails too because it's a salon.
Okay. Check it. Go check it. We got time.
Okay.
I wait for you.
I will ask first. Wait for me here.
Oh, yes. I don't have to go in until 1 o'clock.
You check your bum because I smell your bum, really.
I scratch my bum, okay? And then we smell my finger.
What?
I scratch my bum and then you smell my finger.
Transcona. Yeah. Tingnan natin doon, guys. Maglalakad tayo. So, sa ganitong panahon, kaya yung iyong bota, ganito. Yan, bota. Pero, yung tiyan. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan, guys. Check natin dito sa Transcona. Wait lang, guys. Pakialamero tong taong to. Sinundan pa ako. Gusto niya pang magtanong. Ayaw ko nga kasi mahal. No way.
Right there, honey bunch.
This car. Yeah. Okay. Bye, honey. I love you.
I'm not going in there yet. I'm going in the car with you.
Okay.
Oh, my cow. This car is dirty. I go right in that door there.
So, sa kabilang salon may 5% off. $73. Doon sa kabila, 63. You know what, honey? That salon is a little bit
Cheaper?
cheaper. But I don't like.
What?
No. I will not what you call the $60. I will not wait.
Why? So what? It was gonna be 50. What's $10?
50?
That's how much you were okay with
$63.
to get your nails done and extended, right?
Yeah, to get my nails done and extended, $63.
And can they get you in right now?
Yeah, there?
Yeah.
Yeah. They have so many people there.
Okay, I can drive you over there. Seatbelt. You're gonna get your nails done and then.
Wala akong magawa.
Actually, honey bunch.
What?
No,
I can just walk.
you can just walk and take the keys.
And then when it's very hot. Okay. No. What if you will? No, it would be, honey.
No, you take the keys because.
It will take long.
Oh
And
yeah.
I will just wait you there.
Okay, you go. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Where is my debit card?
No debit. I give you credit.
But if
Pin number, same number.
yeah, but if not, what you call this?
I'll come and get you. I'll come over there.
Like if I'm not there, like if I can't because there's no like going to
Just
do
go.
my
Just
yeah.
go.
I will go somewhere else, okay?
Okay, and I'll wait in front of the salon.
Yeah, bye. Love you. Bruho to, maglalakad tuloy ako. Gusto niya magawa yung nails ko. Maglalakad tuloy ako. Wait lang. Sandali, ipasok ko muna kayo sa wallet. Ay, pasok ko kayo. Loko yung lalaking yun ah. Para lang sa aking nails, tingnan nyo, pinakawalan niya ako. Maglalakad ako dito. Wag isa lang ako naglalakas. Help me! Help me! Joke lang. Kainis. Tapos tingnan nyo yung yellow. Sobrang lamig. Pasok ko ulit kayo sa aking ano. Magagwantes lang ako. Wait. Nakakatakot maglakad dito. Tama ba naman yan? Kakasakit tayo nito dahil sa biga natin. Sa biga natin! Magbiga-biga tayo! Paganda tayo ng kuko! Ay, Diyos ko, Mio. Maglakad tayo! Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong nilalakaran ko. Siguro tama! Ayan, sana ba yung salon na yun? Ayan, doon tayo. So, sasabihin, ba't ka pabalik-balik? Nasaan na yung walkway ng tao dito? Nawawala kung saan ako dumadaan. Meron kasing walkway talaga para sa tao. Dito sa Canada, merong walkway para sa tao. Ako, pasaway lang. Ayan, ganyan. Mag-isa. Pilipina, nasa Canada. Makulit. Dungol. Inilonggo. Pasok tayo sa salon. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa salon. Magawa tayo ng ating nails. Mamaya ulit, guys. Bye! Bye!
One eternity later.
So, nandito lang ako. Nag-aantay kasi 2:30 pa yung appointment ko. So, pero mag 1:45. So, mag-aantay ako ng 1.5 oras. So, yun ka na. Pero habang nag-aantay ako, magtitingin muna ako ng mga iba pa nilang mga serbisyo dito. Ayan. So, titingnan natin. Ikukumpara natin sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Check muna natin, ha? Mamaya na, okay? Bye!